Welcome to Japan, a nation that boasts some of the world's most advanced inventions, while being deeply rooted in unique traditions you won't encounter anywhere else. Have you ever needed to apologize for something that wasn't actually your fault? Or come across a hotel entirely managed by robots? These delightful and intriguing aspects are all part of Japan's distinctive culture, an island nation in East Asia, located right on the Pacific Ring of Fire. Today we will explore 16 fascinating facts about Japan. Get ready for an interesting journey. 16. There is a village dedicated entirely to dolls. In Japan, there is a small village called Nagoro located on Shikoku Island, famously known as the Village of Dolls. Over the past few decades, Nagoro's population has declined drastically as young people left to seek better opportunities in big cities. To combat the growing emptiness, a local resident named Ayano Tsukimi came up with a unique idea to create life-size dolls. These dolls are modeled after former villagers who either passed away or moved elsewhere. Dressed in traditional clothing, they are placed in familiar settings like schools, bus stops, fields, and even inside homes. Today, over 350 dolls coexist with the roughly 20 remaining human residents of Nagoro. The village has become a strangely captivating tourist attraction where visitors can stroll among the silent residents. The dolls are not just pieces of art, they serve as poignant reminders of a once vibrant Nagoro. Inside abandoned classrooms, student dolls sit neatly at their desks, as if waiting for lessons to begin. Out in the fields, farmer dolls silently tend to crops that will never be harvested. This project reflects the loneliness, nostalgia, and deep love the villagers have for their hometown. Though tinged with sadness, the Village of Dolls possesses a unique beauty, standing as a haunting symbol of the quiet disappearance of rural Japan in modern times. 15. Japan, the heart of Asia. Japan is an island nation situated in the expansive ocean, where the waves of the Pacific continuously crash against its shores, and the earth beneath is in constant motion compared to larger countries like the US or China. Japan has a land area of approximately 3,975 square kilometers, with over 70% of its land covered in mountains. Although its size is comparable to California, Japan has a population of more than 125 million people, resulting in a population density far higher than most European nations. Japan is located on 4 major tectonic plates, making it one of the most seismically active regions in the world. On average, Japan faces up to 1,500 earthquakes every year, which is quite astonishing. While the US also lies on the Ring of Fire, the tremors there are generally much less severe. What's impressive is that the Japanese not only endure earthquakes, but have also incorporated them into their daily lives through earthquake-resistant buildings and sophisticated early warning systems. Regarding the climate, Japan experiences 4 distinct seasons, each showcasing its own charm. If spring resembles a pink silk blanket of cherry blossoms, then autumn transforms into a vivid oil painting of reds and golds. In winter, Hokkaido sees such heavy snowfall that it hosts ice sculpture festivals, while Okinawa, in the south, has a climate akin to Hawaii, complete with crystal clear beaches. More Japanese women are developing an interest in American and European men. Japan ranks among the countries with a high percentage of independent women, with over 70% of women of working age having stable employment. These women are not only thriving in their careers but also lead refined lifestyles, are financially self-sufficient, and know how to enjoy life on their own terms. In contrast to the traditional image of housewives, modern Japanese women tend to marry later, on average at the age of 29 to 30, which is later than in many other Asian nations. Interestingly, Japanese women are often drawn to mature, sophisticated, and responsible men. A survey conducted by a leading Japanese wedding magazine revealed that over 60% of women preferred a life partner with a stable career, someone who listens and provides a sense of security. This emphasis is one reason why Japanese men place significant importance on manners, appearance, and body language, which are seen as essential traits by Japanese women. Moreover, an increasing number of Japanese women are choosing to marry foreign men. As per Japan's Ministry of Justice, approximately 6,000 to 7,000 Japanese women tie the knot with foreigners every year, which constitutes about 4% of all marriages in the nation. These women are particularly attracted to men hailing from the US, the UK, France, Germany, and Australia, who are perceived as more courteous, romantic, and expressive compared to Japanese men. The preferred age range for a foreign partner typically falls between 35 and 45 years, as this is the period when a man is seen to have a well-established career and considerable life experience. Another survey revealed that over 70% of Japanese women married to foreign men value their chivalry, initiative, and open style of communication. Interestingly, Japan holds the record for the highest average life expectancy globally at 85 years, which is significantly higher than the global average of 73 years. According to the World Health Ranking, Japan also boasts the lowest incidence of life-threatening illnesses in the world. Remarkably, every 25 years, the average lifespan in Japan increases by another 4 years. So, what is the secret to their exceptional health and longevity? Firstly, a well-balanced and healthy diet. The Japanese adhere to the principle of hara hachibu, which means eating until they are 80% full, thereby easing the burden on their digestive systems. Their meals are abundant in fresh ingredients, low in fat, and high in fiber, featuring seafood, seaweed, and soybeans, along with the renowned anti-aging elixir, green tea. Secondly, they engage in regular physical activity and lead a mindful life. Walking is not merely a way to burn calories, it's an essential aspect of maintaining physical health and mental clarity. In cities like Tokyo and Kyoto, one can easily observe people walking everywhere, whether commuting to their workplaces and schools or enjoying leisurely strolls. Thirdly, an optimistic outlook and robust community connections contribute significantly to this lifestyle. Okinawa, frequently referred to as the land of immortals, serves as a vibrant example of healthy living. It boasts the highest number of centenarians in the world, attributed to a slow-paced, low-stress lifestyle, wholesome food, and deep social ties. These principles are not just the keys to longevity for the Japanese, they also offer powerful inspiration for us all to cultivate a healthier, happier life. Interestingly, the Japanese are known to doze off, even during meetings, which often astonishes foreigners working there. Falling asleep in a meeting is not viewed as impolite. Rather, it's regarded as an indication of hard work. This cultural practice is termed inamuri, which literally translates to sleeping while present. It is seen as evidence that an individual has worked to the point of exhaustion. In Japan, where the world's third largest economy operates amidst a fast-paced lifestyle, diligence is a highly revered trait. Therefore, if an employee nods off during a meeting, their colleagues and even superiors are unlikely to reprimand them. Instead, they silently acknowledge that the person has given their all. One survey indicates that nearly 40% of Japanese people admit to having fallen asleep at work. And it's not only in the office. You'll notice people taking quick naps in trains, at cafes, and even on sidewalks. In large corporations, it's not uncommon to see senior executives sitting straight in their chairs, eyes closed, a scene that might be viewed as unprofessional in countries like the US or Europe. Interestingly, many Japanese companies have officially adopted inamurai, and some even provide nap rooms where employees can rest and rejuvenate to enhance their performance. This showcases how Japanese society adapts to the demanding nature of work with both flexibility and understanding. Japan is also a land of traditional festivals, renowned as one of the most vibrant festival nations on earth. Each season brings with it unique and colorful cultural rituals. With over 300,000 festivals of all sizes occurring each year, Japan holds the record for the most festivals in the world, which is truly remarkable. In spring, the soft pink cherry blossoms mark the beginning of Hanami season, when locals and tourists come together under blooming trees to enjoy the flowers and sip sake during the summer. The streets of Kyoto come alive with Gion Matsuri, one of Japan's oldest festivals, showcasing gigantic floats that stand nearly 30 feet high as they parade through the city. Then there is Awa Odori in Tokushima, the largest street dance festival in Japan, drawing over 1.3 million visitors every year. As autumn and winter set in, Japan dazzles with its stunning lantern festivals, like the Nibuta, Matsuri, and the breathtaking winter fireworks displays in Hokkaido. In Japan, festivals are not just cultural celebrations. They serve as a beautiful connection between tradition and modern living, enchanting anyone fortunate enough to witness them. 10. The most disciplined individuals in Asia. Have you ever come across the term Jikangenshu? It refers to an unwavering principle in Japanese culture that signifies strict punctuality. While being on time, standard in the West, in Japan, arriving 5 to 15 minutes early is deemed appropriate. It's not merely a habit, it's a sign of respect and trust, which are two vital values in Japanese society. What is truly remarkable is that even the trains function with exceptional accuracy. Japan's renowned Shinkansen bullet train network experiences an average delay of merely 24 seconds per year, a feat unmatched by any other nation. In corporate culture, employees not only reach the office punctually, but often arrive even before their supervisors to showcase seriousness and dedication. Furthermore, if they anticipate being even a minute late, they are expected to inform in advance, as tardiness in Japan is viewed as unprofessional. But wait, does arriving too early get you any accolades? If you're intrigued by this unique cultural aspect, leave a comment with the number 6 and we'll share more. 9. Geisha, the enigmatic Japanese art that captivates many Americans. When people in the US think about Japan, they often envision sushi, samurai, and geisha, those iconic performers clad in elegant kimonos with porcelain white faces and signature red lips. But let's not get it wrong. Geisha are skilled entertainers, known for their classical dance, playing the shamisen, a traditional string instrument, and engaging in refined, captivating conversation skills that you certainly won't acquire by binge watching on Netflix. What's quite interesting is that to become a maiko, an apprentice geisha, young women undergo years of rigorous training, mastering everything from the graceful act of pouring sake to charming body language and the art of enthralling conversation. In Kyoto, particularly in the Gion district, even catching a fleeting glimpse of a geisha hurrying through a narrow stone alley is enough to make American tourists pull out their phones as if they've just spotted a Hollywood celebrity. One aspect that particularly fascinates Americans is how geisha live almost entirely removed from the fast pace of modern life. No smartphones, no social media. This is the complete antithesis of Western influencer culture. This air of mystique is precisely what makes them a living symbol of Japan's cultural heritage, where tradition is maintained like a vibrant, living art form. It's the same country that brought us instant noodles. While nearly everyone is aware that instant noodles enjoy global popularity, did you know they were actually invented in Japan? Momofuku Ando, the genius behind this convenient meal, turned a simple concept into a food innovation perfectly suited to modern life. In Japan, instant noodles aren't merely fast food. They are an integral part of the food culture. Convenience stores offer hundreds of varieties, ranging from classic shoyu, soy sauce, and miso to inventive flavors like seafood and curry. Japan even boasts the Nissin Cup Noodles Museum, where visitors can explore the history of this iconic dish and customize their own cup of noodles. For the Japanese, instant noodles signify much more than just convenience. They embody creativity and the spirit of innovation. Thanks to these little noodle packets, Japanese cuisine has made a lasting imprint on the global food scene, standing alongside sushi and ramen. Curious about how instant noodles came to be? Drop a comment with the number 7 and we'll share the complete story of the world's most popular fast food. On the topic of 7, it's noteworthy that Japan holds the title for the country with the most hot springs worldwide. Not only does Japan have the highest life expectancy in the world, But it is also a hot spring paradise, with over 27,000 natural hot springs, the highest number globally. This figure far surpasses that of the US, which has around 1,600 and even outnumbers Iceland, famous for its geothermal spas, which has just about 700 hot springs. Even more remarkable, Japan boasts over 3,000 developed onsen resorts, which is about 5 times the number found in all of Europe. The tradition of enjoying onsens in Japan has a history spanning over 1,000 years, and today it is not merely a habit, it's a cultural necessity. However, Japanese onsen culture is quite distinct. You aren't allowed to wear swimsuits, and many establishments require patrons to wash thoroughly before entering the bath, as this is regarded as a form of spiritual and physical cleansing. Japanese people believe that soaking in an onsen not only relaxes the body but also detoxifies, enhances health, and can even prolong life. That's why in Japan, indulging in an onsen is not just self-care. It's a lifestyle that is intricately woven into daily living. Furthermore, Japanese people often apologize even when it's not their fault. Typically, we apologize when we've committed an error, right? But in Japan, the act of apologizing transcends simple manners and is a cultural cornerstone. What's truly distinctive is that Japanese individuals will express remorse even when they're not to blame, which often leaves foreigners puzzled. For instance, if you accidentally bump into someone on the Tokyo subway, you will frequently witness both parties bowing and saying sumimasen or excuse me, reflexively. In the business realm, the art of apologizing in Japan has reached a level of near perfection. CEOs of major corporations will publicly bow and apologize on television when something goes wrong, even if they weren't directly accountable. It's not merely a gesture. It reflects a profound sense of responsibility and plays a significant role in fostering trust and respect within society. This feeling of accountability extends beyond work. On Japanese streets, if a minor accident happens, such as a little traffic mishap or a misunderstanding among pedestrians, people bow and apologize immediately, often without first determining who was at fault. For the Japanese, it's not about fixing blame, but about maintaining harmony and swiftly finding a solution. This cultural outlook has made Japan not only renowned for its exceptional customer service, but also respected as a society where politeness and a strong sense of responsibility take center stage. Now let's talk about something quite unique to Japan: the option to rent a lover, friend, or even a family member. Yes, that's correct. If you're feeling lonely during your visit, you can actually hire someone to accompany you on a date or spend some time with. Need someone to act as your parents at a wedding or formal event? You can arrange that too. And if you're not quite prepared for marriage yet, but yearn for the experience of a fairy tale wedding, Japan offers services to rent a bride or groom and set up a perfect faux wedding. Companies like Family Romance and Client Partners are particularly popular in Tokyo and other major cities. Every year, thousands of Japanese individuals avail of these services to experience a sense of connection in a society that places a high value on privacy and work. Hiring a fake partner costs approximately 4,000 to 8,000 per hour, while organizing a fake wedding can set you back by as much as 16 lakhs. Moreover, these actors are professionally trained, mastering everything from communication and manners to expressing emotions in a believable manner. This showcases Japan's remarkable creativity in fulfilling emotional needs. When it comes to robotics, Japan stands at the forefront globally. Over 50% of the world's industrial robots are manufactured there, and the nation is in a constant state of innovation, developing smarter and more advanced machines. Remarkably, Japan boasts more than 400,000 industrial robots working in factories, assembling vehicles, electronics, and more with near-perfect accuracy. Leading companies like Toyota, Honda, and Sony not only utilize robots but also design and create them. Take Asimo for instance. Honda's humanoid robot that can walk, run, jump, and even communicate using sign language. However, robotics in Japan extends beyond industrial applications. It is the only country that has a hotel entirely operated by robots, the Hena Hotel, where guests are welcomed by a robotic dinosaur receptionist and served by robotic arms. Japan is also home to IEPO, a robotic dog that can learn and respond to human emotions. What's even more heartening is that there are robots made to look after the elderly, providing conversation, mobility assistance, and companionship to millions of senior citizens. In Japan, the future is already a reality. 3. Japan doesn't officially have a capital city. Here's something quite surprising. Japan technically does not have an official capital city. While Tokyo is broadly perceived as the nation's political, economic, and cultural center, there is no legal document that formally designates it as the capital. This situation goes back to 1868 when Emperor Meiji shifted the seat of power from Kyoto to Tokyo, establishing it as the new administrative hub. However, no law has ever specifically recognized Tokyo as the capital, and even now, the Japanese government has yet to issue a conclusive declaration. Interestingly, according to Japan's constitution, Kyoto, with its 1,000-year history, ancient temples, and splendid palaces, could still be seen as the historical heart of the nation. Many Japanese consider Kyoto to be the spiritual capital, while Tokyo remains the practical one. Is Japan the only country in the world without an official capital? Comment with the number 8 and we'll share the answer. 2. Cost of living in Japan. Japan is among the most expensive countries to live in, especially in cities like Tokyo and Osaka. Rent in central Tokyo ranges from $1,300 to $2,500 per month, depending on size and location, while in the suburbs it falls to about $390 to $800. Dining out can be quite economical, with basic meals starting from around $6. In Japan, a mid-range dinner for two typically costs between $2,200 and $6,700, while a fast food meal, such as a McDonald's combo, can be around $400 to $600. Grocery prices are quite reasonable in comparison to many Western countries. For instance, bread is priced at approximately $120 and milk costs about $110 per liter, but beef can be quite expensive at around $2,700 per kilogram. Fruits and vegetables tend to be pricier due to import costs and limited agricultural space. Monthly utilities, which include electricity, water, heating, air conditioning, and garbage collection, usually range from $8,000 to $16,000 depending on the season. Home internet is about $2,500 to $4,000 per month, while unlimited mobile data plans go for approximately $1,500 to $4,000 per month. Public transportation is efficient, though not very cheap. A commuter pass can set you back $6,500 to $12,000 per month, depending on the distance traveled. Regarding health and recreation, gym memberships are around $4,000 to $8,000 monthly, and basic dental services like cleanings cost about $2,200 to $4,000 per visit, with more complex procedures being significantly more expensive. Overall, the average monthly living expenses in Japan range from $110,000 to $260,000 per person, depending on lifestyle choices and location. Interested in knowing how much it costs to buy a home in Japan? Leave a comment with the number 9 and we will get back to you. And when it comes to food, Japanese cuisine is celebrated for its elegance, balance, and subtle flavors, deeply connected to a culture that honors nature. Dishes like sushi and sashimi are iconic, showcasing the finesse of seafood preparation. Sushi combines vinegared rice with fresh seafood, beautifully arranged, while sashimi consists of expertly sliced raw fish that maintains its natural taste. Ramen is one of the most popular noodle dishes in Japan, featuring broth simmered from bones and infused with region-specific spices, making each bowl a unique regional experience. Tempura, with its crispy battered seafood or vegetables, is cherished for its light, non-greasy crunch. Traditional Japanese frying techniques ensure the perfect texture without excessive oiliness. On the sweeter side, mochi is a popular dessert. Glutinous rice cakes filled with red bean paste, green tea, ice cream, or fruit, often served during festivals and holidays. Japanese meals are not only delicious but also adhere to balanced nutritional principles that promote health and longevity. Eating in Japan transcends mere sustenance. It's a cultural journey where every ingredient narrates a story. enriching the culinary identity of the land of the rising sun. We've just explored 15 fascinating and unique facts about Japan, and we hope this offers you a fresh perspective on this incredible country.